My name is Jesse Driver. I'm from the United States. I have a 15-year teaching career, 5 of which has been at the Green School. I teach many different things. I've taught math, I teach sustainability stuff, I teach art, I teach history, I teach geography, and so I've been able to do a lot of different things in my time here. I can very clearly remember in about, I think it was 2009, when I was at a desk at a school in America, and I saw a picture of a globe with little children's feet around it. And clicking on that, it led me to a TED Talk by John Hardy. And I saw the Green School TED Talk, and from my desk, I can remember sitting there thinking, wouldn't that be a nice place to work at? And years later, here I am. My favorite part about the Green School is that they encourage teachers to teach from their passion, teach from their interests, and we get to match what teachers are passionate about to what students are interested in. And so I'm able to teach the things that I like. And I get to teach through board games sometimes. I get to teach through sustainable lenses. I get to teach math. I get to teach history. I like many things. I get to teach in the shop. And this is something that has not been available to me in the other schools that I've taught at. And so the wide variety of interests and areas it's actually expanded my interest to be here. And so I've gone into more gardening. I have a big garden at home. And so I have not only been able to teach from my interest, but I've been able to learn more. And that's really what's unique about this place. One of the courses that I'm proud of designing here is called Make Play. In this course, students can make their own board games, but also we play board games. But the games that I bring into the classroom are quite complex, they're quite unique, and they require kids to manage resources, develop a team. They require strategy, so you have to match your team to your strategy. One of the best things about gaming in education is the real reactions of kids that you see. And I've seen transitions in kids' attitudes from this game-based education, and it's really incredible. And not only that, I've seen kids that have gone through the design process, finished a product, didn't like it, and then were able to let go of that and start over again. That's actually very difficult for a kid to do. Kids don't like leaving their work behind. I feel that students benefit more from freedom to explore than from direct instructions. And in my classes, I don't want to give the kids directions on what to do. I want them to tell me what they want to do. I think the Green School is a learning experience for anyone who shows up. That includes students, parents, and teachers, and me. And I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.